Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shiksha 100 में. Today I will talk about Prime Ministers. What is the Prime Ministers of India and what is the powers of Prime Ministers with relation presidents, and what is the constitution regarding president. First of all, I will tell you about some important articles which is the most important with regard point of exams point of view. First of all, we see article 74. Article 74 says there are a council of ministers which is aid and advice to the president. It means to aid and advise to president. This means there are a council of ministers at the central level which give advice and to president with regard council of ministers or other informations relating council of ministers. And article 75, according to article 75, prime minister shall be appointed by the president and other ministers shall be also appointed by the president on the advice of. This means prime minister shall be appointed by the president and other ministers also appointed by the president on the advice of prime minister. This means when when ministers are appointed, at that time prime ministers also suggest president to appoint any members of his party as ministers. These articles according 75 and article 77. Article 70. According to 77 articles, there are a conduct of business of government of India. And article 78. According article 78, prime minister is the real executive authority of India, whenever president is the executive authority of India. While president is the head of the state, and while prime minister is the head of the central government. Means prime minister is the head of the central government. And then now we talk about relations with prime ministers and presidents between each other. Prime ministers shall be appointed those persons as president can appointed those persons in Lok Sabha as a Prime Minister whose party improves majority in the Lok Sabha. And if in these situations, if any party does not improve or majority in the Lok Sabha, in this situation President can appoint any persons as a Prime Minister in Lok Sabha, but within 1 month his members appointed as a Prime Ministers, their party must be improved within majority within 1 month period. This is the president's power. And if we talk about prime minister seek information from his councils and give it is must to ensure that Prime Minister give information about his decisions at the central level to the President. Means Prime Ministers must be ensure that he will give information about decisions on the central level, and he coordinate and he promulgates and he summons presidents summons parliamentary Lok Sabha at any time for addressing. And then I end this video at this point at this time, and we will meet next video. So if you do like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest update. So thank you, all the best. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.